Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the driver's seat. You may need to tilt the seat forward to do this. Step 2. Place the cover over the seat backrest with the front side facing forward and pull it downwards like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. At the top of the cover, locate the holes for the headrest. Tuck the headrest's plastic housing through these holes to keep them properly aligned. Step 4. Pull the cover down evenly at the sides, back and front. Step 5. Locate the tuck-in pouch. Step 6. Tuck the tuck-in pouch into the gap between the seat backrest and base. Step 7. Pull the bottom cover over the seat base. Step 8. Locate the straps at the side of the base. Step 9. Pull these straps around to the back of the seat and attach them together. Step 10. Attach the headrest cover to the seat's headrest. Step 11. Place the front of the central armrest cover to the armrest. Step 12. Pull the cover back and fold it round the back of the armrest's corners. Step 13. Lift the armrest up and attach the Velcro straps together.